worry.
Correct.
This is the same consequence. Corrective action operator has to investigate
Yeah.
the low level in this one. Low level,
Yeah, low level.
low level of water, low level
Yeah.
of water, correct. High
Just,
level of
just correct the other one also. High level, because high of water level is missing.
yeah, high level.
Yeah.
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
So this is correct. So response time is in less than 5 minutes, right? It is
Yes,
okay.
it is also
I
like that.
agree.
It is around 2.5 minutes.
Yeah, this I agree. Now process along this. The severity should be two we have considered here. But for people, this is for people, LOPC case. This is 5. So
Yeah, but
this is
no,
this is this is B. See,
that is B.
no, if you see 5 severity,
Why? The severity is only because
severity is 5 here.
during that time,
Yeah.
B.
So if you see severity 5 is a catastrophe. Catastrophe is high
Yeah.
here. High here.
See
Correct.
the problem in ASOP, right? All are 5 for safety.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
This
So
is
this
the
is this
this
is
is
the
the issue.
problem.
We actually debated, but that's
But
what
then how
happened.
can you control? How can you control? Uh, then how can you control P1? P1 is should be less than 5%.
Correct. So this will be difficult, yeah.
Yeah. This is P1.
Because definitely this is P1.
Yeah, this
Now,
is P1.
Chairman, see, what I'm saying is in here, right, when we reach LALL, we have a HIPS system here. So this